Hi guys, welcome to Coding Masters. Now AI is replacing jobs or AI is giving jobs? Which one is correct? Immediately people are thinking, no, AI replacing jobs. AI never give jobs. No. That is very bad word. Definitely AI providing more than 150 job roles in new AI industry. 100% AI creating new jobs. Maybe you people are giving a lot of comments and compliments in the under this video in the chat box. But do that. But before doing that, understand AI is definitely changing this world into automation. But transformation is mandatory in every 1 decade or every 2 decades. So the transformation is making us more comfort, more convenient. So final my word is AI is definitely giving huge jobs to all young, mid and old people also. Thank you for watching this one.